Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about a new product we just brought in. It's a billet aluminum throttle housing. And this is the stock one, which is just cast. And cast is definitely a lot weaker, more prone to breakage. So this billet aluminum one being a lot stronger could save you a bad day out on the trail or the track. Especially if you're on a 2 or 3 day ride and you break it on the first day, that'd be a problem. But the factory guys run these billet ones, and I think it's a pretty slick deal. I'm sorry I don't know what the price is on it. It's on our website. I didn't look that up. And the fitment I'm not positive on either, but I think it fits the two. I know it fits the 2 strokes. I think it fits the 4 strokes as well. Pretty sure on that, but we'll have all the fitment listing on the site, as well as the pricing and availability and all that kind of stuff. But it's a very nice product, very well machined, CNC machine, so everything's perfect on it. And it comes with two Allen bolts for here. I'm going to reuse the stock bolts, which are hex head. I'm just doing that because it'd be one less tool I have to have in my fanny pack out on the trail. That fanny pack gets kind of heavy. And really not much else to tell about it, guys. It's just a replacement item for the cast piece with a stronger billet piece. And that's about all there is to tell about it. So please like us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to us on YouTube. Also give us a shout out once in a while if you can, and try to be a good trail ambassador. And get out for some throttle therapy. That's all for now.